Pseudocyesis is a very common problem for women. More than 10% women get this problem in their life. It is also known as false pregnancy. Pregnancy has a few common symptoms, but sometimes these symptoms can be false. Today in this video, I will discuss the top 5 false pregnancy symptoms. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel because it can be a great collection for you. When women get the missed period, they think she is pregnant because a missed period is a common symptom of pregnancy. But you should know that missed period is not only a sign of pregnancy. You can get missed period for many other reasons. The missed period also can be caused by a stress or many other external factor. So if you have a stress or external factor, you can miss your menstruation. Change in your nipples and breast pain are symptoms of pregnancy. But we know breast enlargement or natural growth is also related to period or hormones. You can also experience breast pain and enlargement for period, hormones and some types of foods. So not only pregnancy does not make breast pain, but also period, increasing hormone and some number of foods can make breast pain. Morning sickness is a symptom of pregnancy. When a woman becomes pregnant, she experiences morning sickness. Morning sickness means headache, nausea and vomiting in the morning. But morning sickness is also connected with hormones. If you experience nervous or stress and you have weak immune system, you can experience morning sickness for hormonal problem. So all morning sickness is not a symptom of pregnancy. Some women feel swollen and they notice their abdomen is expanding. It is a major symptom of pregnancy, but every time it does not refer to a pregnancy symptom. Sometimes swollen and expanding belly can be caused by increasing waist. If you have acidity problem, it can also increases your belly. So only pregnancy does not make expanding belly. You may know that nausea and vomiting is a common symptom of early pregnancy, but all types of vomiting and nausea is not connected with an early pregnancy. You may suffer nausea or vomiting for many other causes. Hormone imbalance and gastric problem also can make this symptom. So remember, nausea and vomiting not only a sign of pregnancy. Dear viewers, if you have any other question about the false pregnancy, you can comment in this video. And finally, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get our next videos. Thank you.